everyone. Good evening. Hello class 7 kids. Very good evening and welcome to the session. Hi Minati. Yes. I know you well. How are you doing? So kids, today I am back with another session on science and the topic is, you can see what is the topic. The topic is weather and its climate. So are you excited for today's fun in the class? So first of all, I would like to answer your first question, and the question I know what it is going to be. Ma'am, is there a Menti? So yes kids, there is Menti. Menti will definitely be there. Okay, one second. Yes, so we are definitely going to have a Menti quiz. I would have a Menti quiz with everyone. So first of all, I want all of you to say hello, hi, good evening in the chat box so that I get to know who has joined my class, so that I get to know my students. Quickly say hi and hello. I only know Minati is there. I only know Minati for now. Okay, so I'm waiting for everybody's response. So till then, let me tell you class, today we are going to discuss a very small topic but a very confusing one, which is weather, Mausam, and yes, its elements. I know you must be having an understanding, a good understanding of what weather is, but you may or may not be knowing what are elements of weather. So in this class, we're going to see what are the elements of weather and how these elements of weather affect the weather. So are you ready everyone? Okay, so before starting the session, I would love to tell you a bit about myself. So kids, my name is Shubhkarman Kaur and I am Science and Maths Educator at Unacademy. So you all can enjoy my free classes on the Unacademy's application by using this code, which is SKK Live 10. So this is my referral code. This code will help you to unlock the free classes, all the free benefits on the application, and yes, how to get this benefit. So all you have to do is download the Unacademy's learning app, and there you have to look for my profile. So it is looking something like this. So you have to start following me. So how it is going to be benefited for you, because if you follow my profile, so whenever there would be a special class, you will get to know that ma'am is live, you will get notification, and yes, we will have a lot of fun in the class. And yes, also class, you can see this and you can enroll for all the coming classes. Okay, so now we are going to start today's session. In this session, we are going to cover the topics, which is weather and the elements of weather. Means what are the things that affect the weather, or you can say the factors affecting the weather. So these are the topics that we will be covering. Factors affecting the weather. This is considered as the elements of weather. So don't worry, we will not be rushing. Very properly we will be discussing weather, and we will also discuss the small difference between weather and climate. So yes, at the end I will assess how much you have learned with Menti. So class, this topic may look very simple and easy to you, but it is a bit bulky. There are so many things in the topic and you have to keep them in your mind. So I'll help you out in everything. So let us start. What are we waiting for? All right. So first of all, look at this picture. And tell me, okay, let's label this is picture A and this is picture B. So while looking at this picture, which one gives you a good vibe? Which one gives you a good vibe? So you're liking this kid in the rain, or this man having ice cream in the sun? Which one you want to be? The one carrying the ice cream, or one enjoying the rain with the frog shaped umbrella? What do you say? Quickly tell me your choice. Quick. You are going to be in picture A, or you want to go in picture B? Tell me fast, then I will also tell you my preference, that I would love to enjoy the rain, or I would love to have ice cream in the sun. Quickly everybody. Okay. Tejas, I'm so sorry, the messages were not coming. I'm so sorry everybody. That is why I was not able to see the messages. Now I can see. Okay, wow, that's great. So tomorrow is going to be a great day for you and me, isn't it? Alright, I'm so sorry everybody. Okay, so now I can see Tejas is there. Yes, the messages were not coming, not my fault, kids. Okay, Tejas is there. Then we have Surinder. Hi Surinder, good evening. Hi Sudha, hello. And yes. Okay. So you want to, yes, I was not, I was unable to see the messages. So that I have seen. There was some issue with the app, or like some technical issue must maybe there. I was not able to see anybody's messages. Okay, so Tejas wants to go, wants to have ice cream. Okay, fine. Tejas wants to go here. What about you, Sudha? Okay, definitely. It is going to be fun. Okay, Dipali. Minati, where do you want to go? You want to go in the rain or in the sun? I guess you guys are attracted by the ice cream. Okay, Sudha, I am changing this to Dipali. Is that fine? Okay, great. Surendra, your name is Aruhi, so you want to go here. Definitely here. Alright. Nobody is a rain lover here in the class. This is so surprising. Okay, I have got 3 kids in this team and nobody in the team A. Nobody in the team A. What about other students? Okay, so let's carry forward this. So Arohi, Tejas and Dipali, I would also definitely love to enjoy in the sun and have ice cream with you all. This is going to be fun, right? Okay, so now class, have you ever seen that it was raining and all of a sudden there is a sunny day? Have you ever noticed such kind of scenario that it was raining and all of a sudden there is a sunny day? Or it was a good sunny day, you had plans, you were planning for a picnic and all of a sudden you don't know from where it starts raining. Anything happened with you ever? Tell me quickly, yes or no? So class, this hide and seek that sun plays with us and sometimes clouds play with us, this is actually the weather. ये जो छुपन छुपाई खेलते हैं ना sun हमारे साथ, sometimes it goes away and sometimes all of a sudden it's a sunny day, right? This is what weather is. So this sudden increase or sudden change or number of changes in a day. It changes a number of times a day. Have you seen what is the weather was today morning? What was the weather today morning? It was so cold. And what about afternoon? It was a sunny day at my place. This is my place. What about you? What about you? Tell me. Okay. Look at this picture. So tell me the weather at your house, at your place. So what was the weather today? It was a sunny one or a rainy one? Or somewhere here? Tell me fast. Tejas, Sudha, Arohi, Dipali. Sunny? How many were having sunny? Okay, I was having a sunny day today. It was a sunny day at my place. What about you? Prabhat. Night. Okay. Prabhat is saying that ma'am, this is the weather at like a kind of cold, you know. Okay. Surendra is also saying this. So Surendra, you are Arohi. Now see, so much difference is there. Also class, it is not like that. Abhi I am saying, yes, Laksh, Menti is there. I think you have just joined the class. Yes, Menti is there. Now see, sometimes you know what happens, as I am giving today's example, in the early morning, it was very cold. It was freezing cold. Seriously, trust me. And in the afternoon, it was a sunny day. So this sudden change in atmospheric condition is what we call as weather. So are you practically able to understand what is weather? Practically what is weather? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, great. So now let's see what we have to write in the exam. So the weather is the state of Earth's atmospheric conditions. Okay, now here we have a new word which is atmosphere. Can anybody tell me what is atmosphere? Can anybody tell me what is atmosphere so that I can explain all of you what is atmospheric condition? Laksh, Prabhat, Arohi, Dipali, Tejas, anyone can? Well, let me see who is the smartest kid in the class. Atmosphere is this blanket of air. It is this blanket of air. I guess I'm not getting messages. Again, there is some issue. Class, please let me know if you are able to send the messages or there is some issue. Okay, great. Yes, this is the blanket of air that we have around us. Very good. We have around us. Now, this is the atmosphere. Now, class, it means that whether it is raining, whether it is a sunny day, it all depends upon the atmospheric condition at a particular place. Now, why we are talking about a particular place here? Because different places will be having different kinds of weather. Okay, so if I'm talking about my place, it would be having a different kind of weather. And if I talk about Prabhat would be having different kind of weather at his place. And still, if I talk about Arohi, she would be having a different kind of weather at her place. So this is the atmospheric conditions at a particular place. And also, even if the distance of Arohi's house from my home will be very less now, even then it is possible that the atmospheric condition is different. Yes, this is also there. So it means weather does not remain constant. Do you think this ever happens that this is the weather is same whole day? Pura din it is same. It is only a sunny day whole day. No, it is not like that. Weather does not remain constant. It keeps on changing. Right? It keeps on changing. Very good. It does not remain constant. Now, so class, Abhi, who is going to tell us that what is going to be the weather next moment? Right? Because this is very important for us because weather influences our plans. So whenever we have a big plan or there is some celebration, we have to go for a picnic or somewhere, we always check the weather from the internet. Do you do so? How many of you check weather before going out? How many kids have this habit? Let me know in the comments. So whenever you have to go out somewhere, do you check what is the weather? Or is it going to rain today? Should I carry umbrella? We do this. So now class, Prabhat, you do so? Yes. Now who gives us this report? So this weather report is collected by meteorological department and by the meteorologists. These are the scientists. These are the scientists who study weather. So these are the scientists who study weather. You check on Google. Yes, Prabhat, this is what I'm talking about. So these are the scientists who study weather and they will tell you that okay, this is the atmospheric condition. It is going to be rain. So if you have a picnic, please postpone it. Otherwise, carry an umbrella. Okay, otherwise carry an umbrella. So this is the report collected by the meteorological department and meteorologists are the scientists who collect this report. Now kids, do you think it is very easy for them? Very good, Prabhat. Yes, weather center. Now, if we talk about ourselves, it is very easy for us to check the weather. Just take your phone, just one click, and you will see what is the weather in the during the day, or even you will get the weather for next 7 days. Right? For next coming weeks, you can get the weather. But the meteorologists, they do not have another Google to see what is the weather. They have to collect the weather report. They have to do research on this. They have to collect various parameters to see what the weather is going to be. Now, we are going to talk about what these parameters are. You never carry umbrella, Prabhat. It means you love rain. Because this is always, we are always tentative that it would rain. Well, I always carry umbrella with me wherever I go. Okay, so let us proceed and let us see. Do you think weather controls us? Do you think? Yes, so I just want one answer. Yes or no? Weather controls us. So class, think of a situation when you had to go on a birthday party and you were all ready and it started raining. Think about that incident. Okay, well, I want yes or no in the comment box. Yes, Minati and Surinder agreed. Prabhat B. Samsam. Okay, yes, weather do control us. Yes, it does. So we always postpone our functions whenever we see that okay, weather is going to affect this. Well, sometimes we also look for some alternative, but to much extent weather controls us. So class, here you can see there is a picture showing weather forecast. Right. So how many of you watch weather forecast? Have you ever watched a weather forecast report? That's great, na Prabhat. That's great. We always should be having the safer side. Okay, so these are some symbols which are used to depict what the weather is going to be, how the weather is going to be. So it is going to be sunny, it is partly cloudy, rainy, snowfall is there, thunder or lightning is there, right? Can you understand these symbols? Can you see? Prabhat is saying that ma'am, weather notification is coming. That's great. So this, if sun is there, it means sunny, right? It's sunny. So it means it's partly cloudy, right? This one means cloudy. This one means it is going to rain for sure. It means snowfall. It means thunder and lightning, right? Now, if weather does not control us, why do we even check weather? Right? If you say that weather does not control us, then why do we even check weather? It means yes, we are affected by the kind of weather. Our plans get disturbed when weather is not appropriate. So yes, weather controls us. So the answer to this question is yes. But do you think there is something that controls weather? Okay, I agree that weather controls us. But do you think there is something that controls weather? Yes, Minati, weather is important. Hi, Om. Welcome to the class. Okay, so I know all of you have once checked the weather on the internet. So class, weather looks something like this. It gives a detail about wind speed, humidity and two temperatures, right? It looks something like this. If you have ever seen, how many of you can relate to this? We do not control, very good. We do not control weather. Absolutely correct. Yes, weather definitely control us, but we humans do not control weather. Then who controls weather? Or I would say what controls weather? Can you give me examples? Well, I am giving you a hint. I am giving you a hint here. Look at this picture very carefully and you will get the hint. Are you able to grab the hint? Well, if yes, it's great. But if it's no, then I am here to help you out. Anybody who wants to tell me that what controls weather? What controls weather? Okay, great. I got one answer. I got an answer, tree. And then sun by Swati. Anybody else? Anyone else? Tree, sun, water. Okay. That's it. Trees are there, sun is there, water is there. That's it. Moon. Okay. Well, correct. Next one. Nature. Okay, yes. Nature is the mastermind of this weather. Climate. Okay, Chinta, climate. Okay, that's it. That is it. Okay, great. Very good points you have given class. Now, let us see if these are right or not. Okay, so if I talk about moon, well, moon is not going to affect the weather of a place, right? So talking about trees, yes, trees do bring rainfall, but it is not going to affect the weather. I know you will be confused that how trees are not going to affect. I will be giving you answer to this question. So rainfall definitely is a part of the weather, but trees are not here. Why? I will be telling you. Sun, yes, sun is an element, but basically what sun gives us? Heat. So basically that is the temperature which is given over here. So instead of writing sun, we would say temperature is something which controls the weather. Clear everyone? Okay, great. Now, okay, nature does this. Nature, so we know nature controls everything. Satya Prakash, yes. Menti is there. I was going to say rainfall is there. Yes. Rainfall and snowfall. Very good, Sakshi. Very nice. So rainfall and snowfall. Yes, it is right. Absolutely. So class, we got 2 points. One is rainfall, rainfall or snowfall, and the other one is temperature. So class, if you carefully look at this weather report, ये weather report से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? One is the temperature. कि okay, in the coming days, on 15 September, this is some weather report. Okay, so the temperature will be this. Okay, and also it is telling you whether it is going to be it is going to rain or snowfall is there, rainfall is there. It is telling you that also. Only two things it is telling. Only two things. Nothing else. Hi Amrita. Wind speed. Well, okay, somebody got this. Surendra, absolutely correct. Wind speed is here. Anything else? Humidity. Yes. See, wind is there, humidity is there. It means, okay, we got 4. Rainfall, humidity, wind and temperature. Okay, it's time to move forward. Yes, so finally, by struggling a bit, you have got the answer that what controls weather, and these are what controls weather. So, weather is controlled by temperature. Definitely, from temperature, I mean sun. Humidity. Humidity means water vapors. Absolutely correct. Very good. Precipitation. Precipitation means the water falling from the sky. Satya, you are new and you haven't studied the chapter. Okay, Satya. So it is a good news for you that if you join the session now, Molina, even then you can get 100 out of 100 in the Menti. I promise, if you will be attentive. Okay, then we have atmospheric pressure and wind. So class, these are the 5 elements that control the weather. You have to remember it on your tips: temperature, humidity, precipitation, atmospheric pressure and wind, and definitely you will remember because I haven't given these to you. You have given this to me. Ki ma'am, whenever we see a weather report, they tell us about temperature, they tell us about humidity, precipitation, weather and atmospheric pressure and wind. Okay, now my next question is, if you remember last time when you had checked the weather, how many temperatures were there? How many temperatures were there? Can you tell me, anybody? 1 temperature was there or 2 temperatures were there? Well, Om, Menti is there. After the class, Menti is there. Yes, it is there. And all the kids who will be attentive during the class, only those kids are going to win the Menti quiz. Very good. Maximum and minimum. So, Om Satya Prakash is saying 1 temperature. Surendra and Sakshi is saying 2 temperatures. So, I would like to go with Surendra and Sakshi. And yes, there are 2 temperatures. So, before discussing 1 temperature, 2 temperature class, first of all, let's see what is the temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is when we touch something. And if it is hot, means the temperature is high. And when we touch something, it is cold, means the temperature is low. Simple thing is that. So the temperature would be high or low depending upon the thing is hot or cold. But we were talking about the 2 temperatures that you see. We are talking about temperature with reference to weather, okay? And you guys are telling me that, ma'am, okay, Surinder, I'm sorry, you are Arohi, alright. You guys are telling me that, ma'am, there are 2 temperatures that we see on the weather report. Now, which is the right one? Which one to believe? So, class, whenever the meteorologists make a weather report, they calculate 2 temperatures. How many temperatures? 2 temperatures. One is the maximum temperature and other one is the minimum temperature. Have you seen? It gives you that maximum temperature is going to be 30 and minimum is going to be 11 degrees Celsius, right? And then there is one average temperature. So the temperature of a whole day will range from 11 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Right. So Now, the thing is, how do they measure this temperature? Definitely, they do not use that digital thermometer that you put in your mouth and you check the temperature. So they can't put it in this into weather's mouth. So this is also a thermometer, but it is a bit different thermometer. So the thermometer which is used to measure the temperature is MMT. Okay, the short form is, remember everyone, it's MMT. So MMT means maximum and minimum temperature. Minati, humidity is there. Wait for 1 second. For now, we're just talking about temperature. If it's hot today or it's cold today. Okay, yeah. So see, MMT, maximum and minimum thermometer, is a device. As you can see, this device is shown here. This is the device which is used to see the measure the temperature. Okay, now what you have to do quickly, everybody. I know you must be watching the class on phone or laptop. Tell me what is the maximum and minimum temperature at your place. Quickly tell me. Okay, Prabhat has already told me it's 35 degree to 42 degree. Very right. Kumar, the chapter is weather, climate and adaptations and we are doing the weather section. Yeah. Okay, anybody else? If you can check and tell me this. Minimum is 6, Prabhat. Okay, minimum is 6. I got it. Very good, Minati. Very good explanation you have given. Highest is 28. Okay. In winter. Alright. So right now. So class, now let's have a look at the maximum and minimum thermometer. How it gives you two temperatures. Like one thermometer gives you two temperatures. So as you can see here we have two scales. Right? So this one is the minimum. This one is the maximum if you can see. So this rating will give you the minimum temperature and the other one will give you the maximum rating. Now class, the best part is that when meteorologists get the minimum and maximum range, it doesn't mean that now they are going to give you the weather, how the weather is going to be. No. Right? It is not like that. They have to look for other factors also. Satya, it's 18 to 8. Okay. It's cold. Minus 10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, I thought you were giving the, weather range. Alright. Okay, fine. Yes, Team RC, right now we are discussing that only. So class, what I was talking about, Sakshi, the class will end when we will discuss all the elements and then we will have Menti. Right. So maximum and minimum thermometer will give you two ratings. As you can see carefully everyone, this is the scale. One side will give you the minimum temperature range, other one will give you the maximum temperature range. Now, the question is that on one day, how we can get two temperature ranges? So how the meteorologists are doing this? As we know, the temperature is low in the morning. In the morning, the temperature is low. It's very cold. It is very cold, right? So, even in the summers, the temperature is a bit low in the morning. So, at that time, they are collecting the minimum temperature. That, okay, this is the minimum temperature. And in the noon, when it is very high, just think about the noon in summers. So, class, at that time, they take the maximum reading of the thermometer. So they got two temperatures, maximum bhi ho gaya, minimum bhi ho gaya. So they got two temperatures and now they are ready to get other parameters and then they will give you a weather report. Okay, so is it the temperature part is clear to everyone? So temperature, what it is, how hot or how cold something is. The device used is MMT, which is maximum and minimum thermometer. Minimum in the morning and maximum in the noon. Moving to the next one class, the other one is the water vapors. Yes, somebody was saying, ma'am, water vapors are there in the air. Hote hai na water vapors? Yes, they are there. So this is called as humidity. Class, I know everybody knows that humidity is the amount of water vapor or moisture present in the air. Moisture content. Hi Shweta. Welcome to the class. Yes. So humidity is the amount of water vapor. Now what you don't know is that Whenever meteorologists measure the humidity, they use a device which is called as a hygrometer. Okay, they use a device which is called as a hygrometer, and this device is here. So this is the first point. Clear to everyone? And yes, as the temperature is measured in degree, the hygrometer measures the humidity in percentage. The class, everybody, do not worry about mentioning your names. I know you all are there in the class. When we will have Mentina, I will ask everybody's name. Okay, is that fine? Hi to Vijay, Sheetal, hi everybody. Okay, great. Alright, so class, as the thermometer gives you temperature in degrees Celsius, hygrometer will give you temperature in percentage. How it will give you temperature? In percentage. Now, something you may not know is that whenever meteorologists find out humidity using hygrometer, this is not humidity. Getting my point? When meteorologists find out humidity with this device, that is not the humidity, that is the relative humidity. What is that? That is the relative humidity. How they are calculating that? By finding the ratio of amount of water vapor present in the air at a particular temperature divided by amount of water vapor that air can hold at that temperature multiplied by 100. Minati, I'm coming to that. Okay. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? So whenever hygrometer measures, it measures the relative humidity, not the humidity. So what relative humidity is? It is the ratio of amount of water vapor present now divided by how much water vapors air can hold multiplied by 100. Okay. Is there any doubt, team RC? Now, humidity changes with temperature. So when you see there is change in temperature, there is change in humidity as well. Minati, as you have mentioned. Yes, there would be a change in the humidity when there is change in the temperature. So, summing up humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. It is measured with hygrometer in percentage. Moving to the next. Yes, Menti is there. Okay, well, let me write it here. Menti is there, kids. It is there. Be happy, everyone. Okay. Yeah. Next is, one second, RC. Let me go back. Okay, so relative humidity. Minati, that's great. That is absolutely great. Okay, relative humidity is the ratio of amount of water vapor. Suppose team RC, we are talking about one place, okay? This is the place, I'm talking about this place. That what is the relative humidity here? Now, it would be amount of water vapor present here right now divided by the maximum water vapors the air present here can hold multiplied by 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay? Yes. Is this clear now? Alright, it's great. Now, precipitation, the third one. So class, can you tell me what is precipitation in just one word? Can you tell me what is precipitation in just one word? Hi Aksha. Yes, I do remember you. Hi Be Artistic, this is your first class with me. Well, this is my second class only, and I'm so glad that all of you have joined the class. Okay, I got one answer. Rain. Rain. Only rain? Yes. Okay, I got rain. Anything else? Well, I can say rainfall is the only answer we are getting. So class, I am going to clear your confusion. One confusion I am going to clear for all of you. Class, precipitation is the moisture that falls from the atmosphere. Do you think only rain falls from the sky? No. Snow is there. Sometimes hail is there. Right, hailstorm comes now sometimes. So hail is also the moisture which is falling from the atmosphere. Snow is also the moisture. Right, rainfall is also. So anything, the water in any form. This is the water in any form when it falls down, we call it as precipitation. Okay? Now, it results due to high humidity, means when there is high humidity, high moisture content in the atmosphere and temperature falls, temperature decreases, then it starts precipitating, rain comes or snowfall occurs. Now, the important question is, how can you measure the precipitation? So, can you name this instrument? Can anybody name this instrument? This device? Can you tell me what this is? Okay, I give you a hint. This can be used to measure the amount of rainfall. Artistic. Okay, this is my second class. This is my second class. Yes, this is rain gauge. Exactly, absolutely correct. This is rain gauge. Perfect. Now class, one more thing. Do you think rain gauge measures rain only? Yes or no? Do you think it measures rain only? No. It measures all the forms of precipitation. It measures rain also. It measures the snow also. It measures hail also. Very good. Correct. Absolutely right, artistic. Yeah. Okay. So class, moving to the next one. Any doubt in precipitation? Great. Ram Nivas, see this, what this is? Yes, it is there. Okay, perfect. Moving to the next one, last one. So class, last one, this is the last topic, and after that we are going to have a Menti. We are going to have Menti. Yes. Okay, artistic, I'll remember your name, Shreya Singh. Done. Next is atmospheric pressure and wind. So first of all, can you tell me what is the atmospheric pressure? Can anybody tell me? Prabhat, okay, I'll do that. Just wait for a few seconds, okay? So class, atmospheric pressure is the pressure of the atmosphere. Now, what is atmosphere? I told you in the first slide only, atmosphere is the blanket of air around us. This is the blanket of air around us. That's great, Ramnivas, that's great. So, atmosphere is the blanket of air around us. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure of that atmosphere. So, the pressure exerted by the air is called as atmospheric pressure. Okay? Now, how to measure this pressure? So, for that we have an instrument which is called as barometer. So, barometer is a device which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure, means what is the pressure of the air. So, atmospheric pressure or air pressure. Clear to everyone? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, great. Now class, don't get confused between hygrometer, barometer, rain gauge, okay? Keep this in your mind. Barometer is for pressure. This instrument is barometer. Yeah, perfect. Moving to the next one, wind. The wind is the moving air. So when air starts moving, we call it wind. So movement of air. Now class, air always move when there is a pressure difference. Air moves from a region of high pressure to low pressure always. Okay. Now, who will measure wind? So when we talk about wind now, we need to make two measurements. First is the direction of the wind and then speed of the wind. Now you can see two instruments are there. So can you look at these and tell me which one will help you to find the direction of the wind? I think this is an easy one. This is easy. Let me mark this A and B. Yes, barometer is for air pressure. So which one will give you direction of wind, A or B? Yes, tell me. Of course, first one, you can see directions written over here. Windmill, nahi. No, Satya, this is not a windmill. This is called as wind vane. What it is called? It is called as a wind vane. W-I-N-D, wind, V-A-N-E, wind vane, or it is also called as a weathercock. Weathercock is easy name. It is called as wind vane or it is called as weathercock. So this will help you to find the direction of the wind, north, south, east, west. Now, speed of wind. What is the speed of the wind? So for that we have the another instrument B, and the name of this is anemometer. What is the name of this instrument? It is called as anemometer. Is this clear to everyone? Understood all of you? Because after this we are going to have Menti. So it is very important for you to understand all these. Okay, great. So class, this is all. In this class we covered what is weather. Weather is a quick atmospheric condition which changes suddenly. So it is the day-to-day atmospheric change, right? Then we discussed 5 elements of weather. First one was, yes, I am recapping. I am giving the recap, Ramnivas. Be careful. So the first one was temperature. Yes. Temperature, how hot or cold something is. Temperature is, okay class, if you will listen to the recap now, I promise you will get 100 out of 100 in Menti. Promise, I promise everyone. Okay, yeah. So, temperature measured using MMT, minimum, maximum and minimum thermometer in Celsius, degree Celsius. Humidity, humidity measured in percentage using the device hygrometer. Then we have precipitation, the moisture that falls from the atmosphere measured using rain gauge. Next one we have atmospheric pressure measured using device called barometer. Then we have wind measured using 2 devices. Wind direction with wind vane or weathercock, wind speed with anemometer. Now if you have any doubt class, I am opening the class for doubts. You can ask me your doubts because after that I am going to start the Menti quiz. Yes, the class is open for doubts. You can ask your doubts. So still doubts coming up. Let me tell you everyone that we are having a great event tomorrow. Tomorrow 26th of January 8 p.m. Kal. So we are going to have a great event with Ishan Sharma. How many of you know him? How many of you know him? Yes, so he is a software developer and he is having a YouTube channel. So with our celebrity educator, you are all are going to have a lot of fun, and yes, you have a chance to learn coding with him. And yes class, you can definitely ask your questions. All of you who are coding lovers and who are taking the classes for coding, you can definitely ask your doubts from him. All the best everyone, all the best. Okay, Prabhat, to convert Celsius and Fahrenheit, all you have to do is add 273 or subtract 273. This is so simple, right? Okay, so class, now we are going to start the Menti. Everybody, I suggest you to share the class link with everyone. Share the class link with all of your friends so that they get to know about the Menti, right? Alright. So yes class, one another major event that we are having on 31st of January. So this will help you to get free subscription. So this will help you to get free subscription of the Unacademy's Plus Creative Corner. So this is Creative Corner time to 2021 timeout. Now I know you are interested in the event. So this event is going to happen on 31st of January, and this time you have a chance to get free subscription for the Creative Corner. All you have to do is get the Unacademy app. Okay, get the Unacademy app. On that app, register with your credentials, and yes, you can join this session on 31st of January 9 a.m. onwards. And after that, how you can get the free subscription? What you have to do, just enjoy the session, learn a lot of things in the session, make a video of that and share with us. Okay, this will help you to, you can get a chance to get free subscription. All the best everybody. And yes, whenever you watch any special class, whenever you log into any special class, this is the code that you can use, SKK Live 10. So that's all for today kids. Now we're going to see the Menti. Are you ready? Are you ready for the Menti everyone? Okay, have you shared the class link? Have you shared the class link, all of you? That's great. Okay, that's wonderful. So, everyone go to www.menti.com and use code 3500222. 3500222. We have got a rabbit, cute sa rabbit, a fire, cake, cat, a fish, a doggy, that's a puppy. So, are you ready? Quickly join everyone. I have shared the code 3500222. Okay, we have got a red birdie. That's so cute. Football, Santa is there. Well, everybody joined? Everyone has joined the session, right? Okay, Pritikana is the Santa Claus. Class, are you writing your names there now? Everybody is writing the names? Sakshi, www.menti.com. When you go to menti.com, it will ask you for a code. It is written on the top. You can see it's here. It's here on the top. Menti.com. Use the code 3500222. Okay, we have got everyone, I guess. We have got everyone. So, are you ready? Kumar action is cake. Okay. Alright then, let us start. So class, here you go for the first question. Which of the following is used to measure the forms of precipitation? Look at your phone, everybody. It is hygrometer, MMT, rain gauge or anemometer. Hygrometer, MMT, rain gauge, anemometer. Last 10 seconds. Everyone has voted. Wow, this is great. I told you now that be attentive during the class. You will definitely get maximum points in the Menti. Very good. So 13 kids have answered right. Yes. Rain gauge helps you to measure all the forms of precipitation. Hygrometer is used to measure what? Hygrometer is used to measure humidity. MMT, temperature. Anemometer, wind speed. So the right answer is rain gauge and here is the leaderboard. Yes, so after the first question we have Vijay, the winner of the first question, and he has answered the fastest. Then we have Karthik, Kriti, who is new here, Varuni, Ashmita, Shweta, Sheetal, Prabhat, Devesh and Bhavik. Well done everybody. What a great start it was. Moving to the next question, we have it here. So everyone look at your phone. So the question is, which of the following is measured in percentage? Okay. What is measured in percentage? Rainfall, temperature, speed of the wind or humidity? And the right answer is, quickly mark everybody, quickly mark the question. Well, okay. Okay class, have you never checked the weather report on phone, on Google? Rainfall is not in percentage, please. Temperature, no, it's in degree. Wind speed, not at all. Humidity is something which is measured in percentage. Okay? Ramnivas, though you are Devesh. Okay, fine. Okay, so let us see the leaderboard after second question. Well, only 9 of you got it right, and the leaderboard is here. Let us see what the results are going to be. And wow, Varuni is fastest this time because Varuni got this right. Karthik is at number 2. Then we have Medhansh, Shreya Singh from Mars, Vijay, Kriti, Ashmita, Shweta, Sheetal and Prabhat. All the best everybody. It was a great one. Well, you can improve, okay? You can definitely improve. Moving to the next one. Question number 3. Yes, I am going to press enter. And here we go. Everybody, if you have just joined the class, this is the code for Menti. I am putting the code here. Yes. Just enter this code and join Menti. Which is measured using a barometer? Oh, such an easy question. We have just done this. What is measured using a barometer? Atmospheric pressure, temperature, wind speed or wind direction. 3, 2, 1 and wow, we are back on the track. Atmospheric pressure. Yes, it is measured by an instrument called as barometer. We have just seen. Well done, class. Very well done. Moving to the next one. But first we will see the leaderboard and what is the status. So we have, okay, many of you have marked this right. Well, we have 2 fastest this time, Janvi and Varuni. All the best, Varuni and Janvi. Then we have Varuni the winner till now, Midhan, Shreya, Sheetal, Kriti, Prabhat, Karthik, Ashmita, Janvi and Devesh. And Devesh is Ramnivas actually. Alright, I got it. Let us move to the next question, kids, which is the question number 4. Identify the instrument which rotates on an axis. Now, go and remember the instrument which was rotating on an axis. Hygrometer, MMT, anemometer or rain gauze. Which of these was rotating on an axis? There was a middle portion and the else was rotating. Rewind. Well, wow, very good. Who are these top 10 kids? Very nice. I am impressed after this question. I am really impressed. So yes, the instrument which rotates on an axis is an anemometer. There is one more instrument. Can you name that? Which is not in the options. Can you name that one? There is one more. So till you are telling me that another one in the comments, I am moving to the leaderboard. Yes. It is wind vane. No, barometer is not the one. Wind vane. Or it is also called as, correct. Okay, so Sheetal is the fastest this time. Then we have Varuni, Medhan, Shreya, Sheetal, Devesh, Ayushi, Yuvraj, Ayush, Kriti and Prabhat. Okay, class. We have got some new students on the leaderboard. Moving to the question number 5 after this. Moving to the question number 5 and we go here. Which of these cannot be used to measure and express temperature? Yes. So Kelvin scale, Fahrenheit scale, millimeters or Celsius. Which of these you cannot use to measure and express the temperature? Last 10 seconds left. Quickly mark. A, B, C, D. Quick. 12 students have given the right answer. Devesh, you are doing very carefully well. Everyone should do very carefully. Hi Aditya, hello. Hi. Aditya, why are you not joining us on Menti? Come fast. Enter the code and join the quiz on Menti. Yes, yes. It would be fun. Join the quiz there. So, yes, class, Kelvin is also a unit for measuring temperature. Fahrenheit is also the one. Celsius is also the one. But no, millimeters is not. So, after this question, let us see the leaderboard. And we have fastest answer for this question is by Varuni again. Very good. I guess Varuni is giving the maximum fastest answers. Then we have Medansh, Sheetal, Devesh, Shreya, Ayush, Kriti, Prabhat, Janvi and Ayushi. Alright, so let us move to the next question. Question number 6. I want Aditya to join fast. Aditya, join the quiz fast. Okay, which of these does not affect the weather? This is going to be an easy one. If you attended the full session, you will get the answer. Atmospheric pressure. Which of these does not affect the weather? Atmospheric pressure, temperature, wind speed or soil. Which of these? Okay, everyone has voted. Very nice. Well, you really deserve appreciation, kids. Very good. Yes, soil does not affect the weather. Okay, I can see some kids have marked atmospheric pressure and temperature also, and these are the ones who were not attentive during the class or those who have not attended the session full. So everyone, this is a learning. Okay, next time whenever there is a class, please come on time. Okay, well done all these 15. Hi VVPD Mithun. Okay, hi. You can join Menti. Go to www.menti.com everyone and join the code. Enter this code 3500222. Hi, one and only King. Hi, good evening. So, next, yeah. Let us see the leaderboard now. Well, I really want to see who is the fastest here. And the fastest is Varuni again. Well, who is Varuni? Varuni, please tell me your name in the chat box. Varuni is the fastest. Then we have Medhansh, Sheetal, Devesh, Shreya Singh, Ayush, Kriti, Prabhat, Janvi and Ayushi Singh. That is great. Okay, well, let us move to the next question. So everybody who has just joined the class, everyone use the code. See, everyone who is facing issue in joining, see, this is www.menti.com. Go to Google and enter www.menti.com and it will ask you a code and there you have to enter this code. That's it. It is such a simple process. Kids, is it so difficult to join the quiz? No, it is not. Well, moving to the next one. This would be question number, I guess, 7. Only last 3 questions are left, everyone. Last 3 questions are left. Aditi, you are Ayushi. Okay, you are doing a great job. Really, you are doing a great job. Yes. Okay, that's Shweta. Alright. The amount of water vapors present in the atmosphere is called, well, 19 seconds. Everyone has voted. Wow, this is great. Kids, please clap for yourself. You really deserve a great round of applause. Please clap for yourself quickly. Yes, it is humidity. This is the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Okay, so can you tell me till the time I go to the leaderboard, can you tell me which is the device used to measure the humidity? Or what I would say, relative humidity. I told you, relative humidity is something that is measured. Which is the name of that device, if you can tell me? I will consider you the complete genius then. Aditi, done. Ayushi, that's great. Thank you. I got it, Varuni. I got it. I read your message. Yes, very good, Varuni. So the device is hygrometer. Now promise me you will never forget this. H for humidity, H for hygrometer. Simple. Okay, great. That's great. So the leaderboard after this question is here. And we have VVP, that's the perfect answer. Sheetal, okay. So Sheetal once again is the fastest. Then we have Varuni, Medhansh the fish, Devesh the birdie, Ayush that's a bee, I guess. Shreya the robot, Kriti the catty, Prabhat the fire, Janvi the tiger, and Ayushi the bear leading on the leaderboard. Let us move to the second last question. So second question is here. Let us start the question, everyone. Wind vane. So wind vane is used to find what? Wind vane. Wind direction, wind speed, wind pressure or wind current. Wow, great. No. See, VVPD. Now, the thing is that wind vane is something that is used to find the direction of the wind. It is north, south, west, or east. Wind speed is measured by another instrument. Okay, and my dear students are going to tell you that. Everyone tell VVPD what is the instrument used to find the speed of the wind. Which is the instrument used to find the speed of the wind? Let me see who can answer this. The one instrument which rotates on the axis. Yay! Very right, Artistic and Varuni. Yes, that is anemometer. Thank you so much. Okay, so after this, let us see the leaderboard. Yes, that's anemometer. So we have this time fastest answer by Devesh. Devesh, once again you are there. Aditya, you are joining the Menti. That's great. That is great. Okay, so Devesh is the fastest. Then we have Varuni, Medhansh leading. Then we have Ayush, Shreya, Sheetal, Yuvraj, Kriti, who is new here, Prabhat and Janvi. All right. Okay, Aditya, I got you have joined the quiz and we are left to the last question. But I'm glad that you learned how to join the quiz. Okay, so whenever there is a next time, whenever there would be a class, I request everybody to join on time. Okay, yeah. So last question, everyone. We are going to see the last question now. Question number 9. Sorry, question number 10. Yes, it is here. The direction of a wind can be measured by. The direction of wind can be measured by. Well, let us see how many of you get confused and how many of you are able to mark the right answer. I am so excited to see the response in this one. It's anemometer, weathercock, rain gauze or barometer. Well. Great. Amazing. Nice. Well, I can see 4 kids. Okay, when 4 plus 2, 6 kids have got confused. So by class C, anemometer is something which will tell you about the speed of the wind. Right now we were discussing, na? Right now we were discussing. No, artistic, it's fine. It's fine, bacha, it's fine. Yes. So weathercock, no, not like that. Why? See, I tell you why it is called as cock. Have you seen the picture of the weather wind vane? There is one cock on the top now. That is why. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you so much. Okay, rain gauze nahi hoga. No. Then we have barometer. No, barometer is for atmospheric pressure. So class, I am so sorry everybody who is joining now and asking for the Menti. Well, the Menti is over. Hi Shivam, welcome to the class, but the Menti is over. This was the last question. But don't worry, I will see everybody next time also. So now it's time to see the final leaderboard. All the best everyone. And the final result is here. Well, Medhansh is the fastest. Then we have Varuni. Then, okay, Varuni is on the top. Then we have Medhansh, Ayush, Shreya, Sheetal, Devesh, Yuvraj, Kriti, Ashmita and Prabhat. Okay, we are left with the last question. We are left. Dikong. Hi. Yes, I know you well. Okay, that's you. So last question everybody. I thought the questions are over. Okay, one more. Weather refers to the... Now this is going to be a concluding question. So what is weather? Weather is the fixed atmospheric condition, like atmospheric condition at some point, like which is fixed, that does not change. Day-to-day atmospheric condition that may change every day. Weather is climate, or weather is the weather condition over a period of time. Hi Krish. Hi Sunyana. Okay, this is the last question, alright? Very nice. What a great Menti it was. You have got so many right answers. And you know what is the secret? Everybody, you do want to know the secret? The secret is that all of you were attentive during the class. In the beginning of the session, I promised that maximum students will be able to get 100%. And see, you achieved it. Very well done. Great performance by everybody. Varuni, Devesh, Medhansh, Ayush. Great performance by everyone, and this is the final leaderboard. Fastest answer by Kriti, but the winner is Varuni. Congratulations, Varuni. Hi, Darshan. Hi, Krish. You are the new kids. Well, the session is over. Welcome to the class, everybody. Okay, tell me how many of you got all right answers? How many of you got 100% answers? Tell me fast. Congratulations to Varuni and all the students on the top. Ayush, Shreya, Sheetal, Devesh, Yuvraj. Yuvraj is Sakshi. Okay. Kriti, congratulations. Ashmita and Prabhat. Ashmita, you're in class 9. Okay, thank you for joining the session. Well, this was for class 7. Okay. So everybody, this is the end of the session now. But don't worry, I'll see you soon with another session. So till then, everybody keep enjoying, keep studying, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Bye everyone. Bye.